Beep boop bop, it's Becca and welcome back to Baking with Becca. So today we're going to be making some chocolate crinkle cookies. So crinkle cookies are cool because they're like rolled in powdered sugar, and then when they bake, they crack open and it like looks really cool. So let's get started. So here are all of our ingredients for our cookies. We'll start over here. We have 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of oil, 3/8 cup of applesauce, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. So first we want to mix together our cocoa, sugar, oil, applesauce, and vanilla. So this sugar is the 1 cup. The 1/4 cup is going to be saved for later. So you just add this all into a bowl. And mix that up. Okay, this already looks so good. You can tell it's going to be like a nice rich chocolate flavor. Okay, now we can add our dry ingredients. So now make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now before we add our dry ingredients here, we just want to mix them together. So we have our flour, our baking powder, and our salt. We're just going to mix together in a bowl. And then we can add it in with our wet. And now mix this together. So now we want to put this in the freezer so we can have it form more of a dough, because we need to be able to mold it into balls to be able to bake it. Okay, so this chilled for about half an hour, so now it's more solidified. So now you want to grab pieces, about a tablespoon. You can use a tablespoon measuring thing if you want, but nah. You're going to roll it into a ball. And then you're going to roll it in your granulated sugar. So this is your normal sugar. And then after that, you're going to roll it in your powdered sugar. The powdered sugar is what's going to give it that crinkled look. That's why they're called crinkle cookies. And put that on your baking sheet. I sprayed the baking sheet with a little bit of baking spray just to make sure that they don't stick when they bake. So then go ahead and do that with all of the rest of your dough. So this is some of the dough, and these are going to go in the oven for about 12 minutes. They might seem a little bit underdone, but that's okay. And then once they come out, you want to let them sit for like 2 to 3 minutes before taking them off and letting them cool completely. The cookies are done. They look so cute. The crinkle worked really, really well. So you can see how like it's split open and the powdered sugar is right on the outside, and they smell amazing. So let's try one. Oh, so fudgy. Wow, these are so good. It's like a brownie, but in cookie form, and they look cooler. These are so good. Really, you should really try out this recipe. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. Leave me some suggestions for future videos as well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.